I received so many requests from you to show you all my tricks, all my suggestions and recommendations how to make chocolate covered strawberries. I will show you how I do it. I use these strawberries very often for decoration my cakes, and honestly it can be amazing gift box with strawberries in raw chocolate. So I hope you will find something new for yourself, and it's really very easy to do. So my name is Olga. If you are first time here, I'm working with only natural plant-based ingredients, and we never use white sugar here. Let's get started. So here you are. I just opened my plastic bag, and now we need to clean our strawberries. Let's wash it. Here you are, our washed strawberries. We're going to arrange them on any cotton towel that you have. And we need to receive completely dry and clean strawberries for covering with chocolate. So your strawberries shouldn't have any drops of water. So you have two options right now. You can clean, you can wash your strawberries one day before you're going to cover them with the chocolate. In this case, you wash your strawberries, you need to put them into the sealed container and keep it in the refrigerator. I do not recommend you to leave it like on the plate, because in 24 hours your greens will become very dry and it will not be pretty. I will be using a little bit more faster process for drying. For this I need paper towels. Now we move our strawberries on a paper towel. And we need to try to absorb as many liquid as possible from our strawberries. Let's grab any cake board or plate. Here are my boards. Again, I put another layer of paper towel. And now I want to organize my strawberries here again. Try to wipe it from the green part. For now, we have washed, clean and almost completely dry strawberries. Now we're going to temper chocolate or maybe melt chocolate, and while we'll be doing it, I'm going to leave my strawberries in the refrigerator. Because it will be just about 20-30 minutes, it's totally okay if you don't cover them with something else. It's very important to have cold strawberries directly from the refrigerator for making beautifully chocolate covered strawberries. Now we need to prepare our chocolate. I will be following this video, very detailed video about how to make and temper raw plant-based chocolate. I will be using exactly this recipe, and I highly suggest you to use cacao paste. The recipe was cacao paste instead of cacao powder. With cacao paste you will have a successful result almost like immediately from the first attempt. With cacao powder it requires more skills. Also your chocolate will be more deep, more chocolate, more flavorful, more delicious. Another option, of course, if you lack of time, you can just buy any like 200-250 grams of healthy chocolate in your healthy store and just melt it. The only one suggestion: do not overheat your chocolate over 115 Fahrenheit. It's about 45-46 degrees, because you will burn the chocolate, it will change the flavor, and you will see not beautiful with different spots chocolate on your strawberries. And once you make this chocolate, please come back to this video and I will show you how we dip our strawberries into chocolate. Now we have washed and clean and dry strawberries, and they are exactly from refrigerator, so they are cold. I have tempered chocolate, and the best temperature for chocolate for covering our strawberries is about 84-87 Fahrenheit. I made a whole batch of chocolate from my video, and I just wanted to show you how I organize everything. I always temper chocolate quite in big bowl, but it's too big to dip our strawberries. That is why I use smaller bowl. I pour all my chocolate here, and if for double boiling big bowl I used this saucepan, so for small bowl we will need to reheat a little bit our chocolate in like half of our strawberries, and it's smaller saucepan, so that's why I change it here. So but everything prepare right now. I need some water, and here you go. So once I see that the temperature of my chocolate is not correct, I will reheat it using a double boiler method. That is all. So we're ready. Here are strawberries. We need parchment paper. We need a board, especially if you use just melted chocolate. You need a board because your chocolate will not set in room temperature, and you will need to move it to refrigerator. And now depends on what the result you want to achieve. Sometimes I see that different pastry shops make strawberries in chocolate, and chocolate covered just like 70% of strawberries. Sometimes I see that everything is covered with the chocolate. I don't know how is correct to do. I just show you how I love to do. So you can see that the temperature is so good that when our chocolate is cover our strawberry, you don't see the seeds of strawberries. If you see seeds, it means your chocolate is too liquid, is too hot. And because I properly tempered the chocolate, it became matte almost immediately. And this is like big plus of tempered chocolate. Here you are again. So strawberry, dip inside, take it out. Wait just a little bit. So we don't want to have a lot of chocolate under our strawberries. And put here. Strawberry, insert. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And wait. So here you are, we have our beautiful strawberries. I just want to show you what does it mean completely tempered chocolate. Correctly tempered chocolate. So first of all, our chocolate set in room temperature, it becomes matte, and also because our strawberries are from the fridge, it's a helpful tip to receive matte chocolate. Second thing, while I finished all strawberries, it's about like 18 strawberries here, my first strawberry is completely dry even from the bottom. So here you are from this side. Again, it means I tempered chocolate, and if you see that you finish like 20 strawberries and everything is still wet, and when you remove your strawberry you have like spots of chocolate on the parchment paper, it means just one thing, you didn't temper chocolate correctly. It's also okay, it still will be very delicious, but the only thing what you need to do, you need to move your board with strawberries and like shiny chocolate into refrigerator, and then we will make drizzles for these strawberries. I can skip this step, and I will show you how I work to make drizzles. So you have a few options. Now we need a piping bag and a spoon. And then you will choose what option do you prefer the most. So here is my piping bag. I will be using a tall glass just for my convenience to pour the chocolate. So here you are. Great, so let me show you the temperature. Right now we have 85.5 Fahrenheit. And we pour just a little bit of chocolate into the piping bag. Honestly, if you will be using only piping bag, you can pour more. Mostly I use a spoon. Okay, so we need to create drizzles. And my to-go method to do it is to grab a strawberry in left hand, grab a spoon into the right hand, and then we will need to create drizzles. Now you need just to understand how your chocolate is liquid. So because you will be creating this drizzle, so we put here the strawberry, and then you will be making like these movements, like zigzags. So here you are, I understood it, and I'm doing 1, 2, 3. Wait like 10 seconds, it will set, and we will make 2, 3 more in different way. 1, 2. Here you are. Almost an ideal strawberry. And we put it here. When you do it, your chocolate should be completely matte. So that's why if your chocolate is not tempered properly, you need to move your strawberries into a refrigerator and wait until it becomes completely dry. So here you are. I would say for me it's more clean method. You also can do it with the piping bag in 2 ways. We need to make a hole, not big, not small, such hole that can create drizzles. And you can do it on your parchment paper. It will be more dirty. I think that most shops makes it like here. So they just put a lot of strawberries and go with the piping bag to create very fast drizzles. Here you are. One way is totally okay. You also can do the same what I did with the spoon to create more accurate, more, as for me, beautiful drizzles. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Not bad. Not bad. So it's up to you. Try different methods and you will understand which method you prefer more. So that is all. I will continue with the spoon with correct temperature of 84-86 Fahrenheit, and please try it, and don't worry if your chocolate wasn't tempered from the first attempt. I hope at the end you will get a beautiful result and you will never buy a store chocolate again. Thank you for being with me. Enjoy these strawberries and chocolate, and shelf life is like for any fresh fruits. It's about 3-4 days in the refrigerator. And let me know if you like this video and if you want something else from me. So see you soon.